I'm George Hillhouse. I'm with Refuge Insurance Advisors. We're in North Georgia, and we have been with the block for about 10 years. Phenomenal customer service is number one. I don't think, we always talk about Chick-fil-A having great customer service. Well, AgencyBloc surpasses it. Their customer service is phenomenal. I can always rely on getting help when I need it. That makes all the difference. Always wanting to grow, always wanting to learn more, always wanting to get more into the digital market, and AgencyBloc has helped me to do that. And we were well prepared before the infamous pandemic, and part of that was because of our working with AgencyBloc. They helped that to happen where it was not a problem for us. That's one of the other things AgencyBloc is big on, listening to their clients and hearing their needs and taking that into their development. And I've talked to them about things and it's come back to fruition, and I've seen it happen. And that means a lot. You're not just a company that I purchase. You're a team member, part of my team, that has helped us to be the success that we are today. One of the first things that I saw change in our agency was I always stopped at the end of the day and wondered, did I get finished with everything I should have done? Did I remember to call that client back? And the way it's organized, it helped us to organize, and the activities, I knew what my day was. And now, if it's not on the activity, I tell my admins and other, if you don't put it in AgencyBloc as an activity, I'm not going to get to it. I rely on AgencyBloc and those activities. And the other thing is, AgencyBloc is the only CRM that I'm aware of that's even feasible to help process commissions. There's others that solicit for our business and look for us to come to them, but when I start bringing up commissions, it collapses. And the support, again, from Tasha and all to take care of that has been phenomenal. Well, the scary part is this AI that we just talked about, but again, that's part of the cutting edge of always staying up with what's going on and what's happening in the market, as well as in the technology. And AgencyBloc's been on that cutting edge. And so we're excited to see what AI brings. There's a few modules that that's just recently came out in the last year we tinkered with, but really haven't engaged. And I've already forgotten. Engage Plus, yes. With the social media. And the fact is, I've had to transition my mind because I'm still that old door knocker that wants to talk one-on-one. And I have 3 children that are also agents that work in my agency, and I've had to listen to them, Daddy, that it's not the same anymore. And again, AgencyBloc has helped me to move to that. And so the new technology with social media, you're equipping me with what I need to do what they're recommending I do for us to continue to be successful. Hands down, again, I mentioned a moment ago, I have other CRMs, enrollment platforms, that in all honesty, I wouldn't have to pay anything for. But I can't, they don't have, what good is it? It would cost me dearly to not have AgencyBloc. The loss of the support and the abilities of AgencyBloc would cost me way more than what I pay.